Reading practice number 5. Dear Dr. White, in the Friday, August 10, issue of the magazine of electronics, I read 3 interesting, entertaining, and informative articles on new developments in electronic transistors, period. It was difficult to decide which one was actually the best. Paragraph. I would like to translate all 3 articles into German and run them in one of the magazines that I supervise and published in Berlin. Paragraph. May I have your permission to do this? A stamp, self-addressed envelope is enclosed for your convenience in writing to me. Period. Sincerely yours, Reading practice number 6. Dear Mrs. Edwards, are you interested in spending less and getting more for the money you spend on food? Of course you are. Period. You can do so if you shop at the West Street self-service supermarket in Knoxville. Period. Here you will get superior values. Period. Here you will get more food for your money than you could get at any other store. Paragraph. Why not resolve that during the coming year you will spend less and obtain more? Period. Begin to shop soon at the West Street Service Supermarket. Period. You will be glad that you did. Paragraph. Our superiors and our clerks would like to take this opportunity to wish you and your family a pleasant holiday season. Period. Sincerely yours,